Okay, I'm going to cut this in strips like this, and then I'm actually going to roll this and stick it like that. It's a very easy process. You're just going to cut this. Sometimes I get carried away and I don't cut them in skinny enough strips, and I have rolls that are gigantic, but this is about right for your rolls. That one will be, see, bigger than that one. But there's, if you really want to get a yardstick out and do it where it's perfect and they're all the exact same sizes, but I never do that myself. This one, of course, is going to be for the little kids. It's just a little one there. So you continue doing that till you have it filled up.